Hey, Rob Allen here with Truckmountforums. I want to give you a quick tip of how to identify carpets within 30 seconds of walking inside of a home. I know a lot of newbies have a problem with this, but you'd be surprised how many vets don't even know what type of carpet they're dealing with, and it makes a huge difference. Why is that? Because you want to choose your chemistry or your dilution ratio according to what type of carpet you're dealing with, whether it's polyester, whether it's nylon, or whether it's olefin. So I'm going to show you real quick right now exactly how to do that. You're basically going to avoid the old method of using a lighter, which is kind of awkward in front of a customer, pulling out a tuft and burning it, okay? Instead, what you're going to do is pick up the TMF polyester tester, and this is going to let you know within a quick second or so what type of carpet you're dealing with. So you go to like to an edge or something like that, pull out a little tuft, take that little tuft, set it inside, maybe your little measuring cup like this that comes inside of your products. Take and put a drop or two on it, okay? If it's polyester or olefin, it will not dissolve. Remember, polyester and olefin has an affinity for oil, so it grabs a hold of body oils, dead skin and stuff like that, and won't let it go, so you need the proper chemistry. TMF is the only company that now has polyester hydrotopes inside of their powdered products, so it's better than anything else you can get out there. However, if you're dealing with a nylon carpet, like this didn't dissolve, so now we know we're dealing with a polyester carpet. It's going to be the same thing with an olefin carpet, but when you get over to the nylon carpet, once we put a tuft of that in there, it's going to completely dissolve. So we'll pull a tuft out. Remember, these are samples. Just go to Home Depot or something like that. Test this and perfect this on your own first before you do it inside of a customer's home. You take a tuft, put it inside, put this on there, and boom, you'll see within a couple of seconds, it's totally dissolving. So now you know you have a nylon carpet. So what can you do with that? Well, if you're using our Rob's Secret formula, which is basically a free and clear product right there, we have our Spike, which is an oxidizer-based product, and then we have our Pro 10K. All these have polyester ingredients in it, so they'll clean, and they'll clean nylon. Just about anything will clean nylon, but hardly nothing cleans polyester. So that's why we made these products. However, when you come across nylon, you can basically cut the dilutions in half and save a lot of money and still get everything clean. So remember, when it comes to chemistry, it's very easy to figure out. Go to the tmfshop.net. You can pick up one of these. You can go ahead and identify what type of carpet you're working with. You can use and adjust the chemistry, whether you want something that's 99% ready to use, green, or you want something that's oxidizer based, maybe to brighten the carpets naturally, or you want something enzyme based to work on those urine odors and stuff like that. We've got you covered. However, what if you come across some natural fibers? Well, remember, we have Rug Smack for that, and we'll give you another quick tip for that in the very near future. I'm Rob Allen with Truckmountforums. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, see us on Facebook. Look inside the description. You can find all those locations, including our forum, which is the largest industry resource that's out there, and it's all designed to help you grow your business. Thanks a lot, and have a great day. Okay, so we got three basic fiber types here. We've got polyester, we've got olefin berber, and we've got nylon. So we're going to go ahead and start off here. Now, you can take a pair of needle nose pliers, go up into a corner. Don't do it right in the middle of a room. Go up to a corner or an edge or something. You might even find a loose tuft. Okay? Grab a hold of a tuft, pull it out of there. You can do that. See how I got a nice tuft out of there, okay? You drop it inside, maybe your 2-ounce measurer that comes inside of your containers. Put a couple drops on there. And within 30 seconds or so, or even quicker, if it doesn't dissolve, you know that you're dealing with a polyester or an olefin. And notice this is not dissolving at all. So I'll go ahead and take this out, put it on the towel here, and you notice it didn't dissolve at all. Now, when we come over to berber, you really got to be careful with berber because you can get runs. I'm going to show you a little example. If you go pull a piece like that and you grab it, it can run across the whole room. You're going to do some damage and you're going to be buying somebody some stuff. So you really got to go up into a corner, be very careful, get a tuft. Usually along the transition or something like that, there'll already be a loose piece. Take your carpet scissors, your duck bills, grab it like that, cut off just a little top of the tuft, put it down in there, go ahead and put a couple of drops on it, and you're going to notice that the olefin berber is not going to disappear either, okay? So nothing's happening there. So we're going to go ahead, put that on our towel. Now, last but not least, we're going to go to our nylon carpet. Again, try to go to a transition, go to an edge, try to find a loose piece. You can use your carpet scissors or something like this, some needle nose pliers again. Grab yourself a nice little tuft, put it in there. Take your product, polyester tester and nylon tester, and notice already it's starting to dissolve that quickly. It's going to nothing just by those drops. So now we know we definitely have a nylon. It completely dissolved. So there's nothing here to put on here. Look at that. just the remainder of the polyester tester. So that shows you easily how to determine whether you're dealing with polyester or olefin. Remember, those are the ones that have the affinity for the oil. They're the ones that abrade fast. You need to know what type of chemistry to use. Remember, all of our products have polyester cleaners in it. But however, when you're dealing with nylon, you can use generally half the amount because nylon cleans up so easily.